Gwaun Valley, where the Pembrokeshire Coast National Park has been involved in managing woodland for about 20 years now. Originally, the National Park got involved here by trying to stop conifers being planted, and then they started taking over sites to remove the conifers. And we're still in the process of removing the last few conifers from these sites like this, Pengegin. Felling the conifers during the winter time, and then over the years the vegetation comes back. It's been very successful here, I think, as you can see. Management's been going on in these woods for thousands of years, ever since the Iron Age. So it's really important that we keep sort of little and often interventions going, so that we come in, fell some trees, use the timber locally if we can, add value to it, and provide the mosaic of habitats, glades, openings, rides, that the wildlife, the birds, the insects and everything can actually carry on living there.
The softwood tree that you saw felled earlier comes up into the sawmill here, and we process it in the mill and we make products out of it, like these planters. We also make signs, gates, signposts, basically anything the park requires. We even make bridges for them. All our timber, even the low-grade timber, is turned into products. And all our waste timber is used to heat the whole building. We try to be as sustainable as we can.
It's really important that Pembrokeshire Coast National Parks looks after the very last bits of ancient woodlands. There's less than 2% of the land area in Pembrokeshire now covered by ancient woodland sites. So they're so special, and it's our job to look after them for the future.